Hey, I'm just making this quick tutorial to help anyone that's trying to insert images into the wiki. I was trying to cut or copy and paste a picture into the wiki and I ended up messing up my entire wiki, so it got corrupt and I had to start from scratch. So here's what I do. I go down to my Edmodo and I get into my space by clicking on the edit. And just like you all know, for your wiki, you can just type in here any way that you want to, right? For the images, though, what I did was I put my cursor wherever I want my image to go. So let's say I wanted an image there. And I click on this icon here. And then I have to have my image hosted in a different space somewhere on the internet. So I would then paste my image URL into this location. So let me just back out of this and see if I can't maybe find one here. So if I was to go to a new window and I'll look for just a picture that I can find. Okay, so maybe I want this monkey. So I'm gonna go click on, okay, let's just say, okay, that monkey. So I click on that picture and now I'm in a different space. That's not gonna work. If this was a JPEG image, what I was doing was I loaded them into my own Blogger spot and I could take the HTML from it. So sometimes when you click on images, you'll be given an like a URL that ends with JPEG, so it would, you know, show the monkey up here. So let me just go to my blog space here. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so this is my blog, and when I click on an image in my blog, let's see if I go to this one. Okay, so if I keep clicking on it, I get to the storage space of it, and you can see up here I have a URL. So I'm just going to copy that. And when I go back to my Edmodo page where I was editing, sorry, too many windows open. I'll just shut that. Okay, so I paste my URL into that location. I can put a border thickness on it, and I can space it out so it doesn't smash into my text that I write around it. And I can align it left so that I can wrap some text around it. So when I hit OK, it takes a minute. 1 second. Sorry. Okay, so you can see here that the picture got put into my blog, and if I just click on that, I can get full screen. And I can click on my image and then I can shrink it down to something manageable. I'm just going to make it really tiny. So there it is right there. So that's how I'm getting the images into my text. When I'm linking to movies and stuff like that, I'm just highlighting the text and then I'm going up here to this insert web link. I click on that and I type in whatever URL I want to go to. So if I wanted to go to YouTube, you know, if it was a specific video that I was linking to at YouTube, you can put in your title there. Target, you want that to open into a new window. So select that and you hit OK. So if you don't put in a title, it just stays with the text that you highlighted, but if you put in a title, it would call it that. So if you want to remove your link, you just go up there and you remove it. So that's how I'm inserting. Those are links to, that would be to YouTube movie or SchoolTube, I think. I'm going to just delete that by selecting it and hitting delete. This Edmodo screenshot I put in the same way I just showed you. This I linked to the movie just the way I showed you there too. So I hope that helps you get started, and make sure that you save your work. And I would just do it in baby steps to make sure that it's saved. Each time I insert a movie or an image, I save it. What you want to avoid doing, I'm just going to shrink my thing here, is what I was trying to do was use this to browse and upload stuff, but that doesn't work, and nor can we do it. And the other thing I was doing, I think, was trying to go to this attachment tab and use it, and that's a no-go as well, so don't go there. So anyways, I hope that helps you a little bit, and again, make sure you save your work and save it frequently because I had to start all over. Okay, that's all I got for you. Talk to you later.